In this video, we are going to make some black glue. So I usually use acrylic, but I'm going to try some tempera this time. This is a gallon of glue. We cut a hole in the front so that this paint mixing tool can fit in the hole. So I'm going to pour some black glue in there. Pour the black paint to make black glue. And I'm going to put a little bit of acrylic because that's all I have. And I might need to add some extra tempera to that, but we'll see how dark it comes out with what I've poured in there. So I just have the drill with this drill bit that is usually used for house paint, but I find it works really good for black glue. I'm going to remove the tool, and I just put some paper to collect that until I can wash it. And now we have the container full of black glue. So that was just the right amount of paint, and I just kind of eyeball poured it. I'm not really sure how much I put in, maybe a cup. And then I have these black glue bottles. They are halfway empty, and I'm just going to top them all off. I have a whole bucket of them. And I just keep reusing the containers. I had refilled them last year. So we have our funnel, and we're going to pour from that opening. And I'm just going to keep going until all the bottles are filled. And we're still going to use this as a place to let the extra glue drip back in so I don't lose it every time. And we still need more. And these are the larger size bottles. I also have the smaller size. And I do this maybe once a school year. Where we used acrylic paint, it doesn't always wash out of clothing, so that's important to let students know if you use tempera versus acrylic to make the black glue. So if you're going to use it with much younger students, maybe tempera is your best bet. Alright, and that bottle's mostly filled. I'm going to let the rest drip back in. I'm going to take this wet towel and clean off the top of the bottle. And I will check before I put it away that this is like not clogged and that air can go through before I put it away for the rest of the year, because the kids already did their project with black glue. So then these will be ready for next year. And that's a pretty good consistency, but I'll demonstrate on the paper. pretty nice consistency, not too runny. And there are so many great projects for black glue that you can use to do, like, you can let it dry and do a rubbing on top, or you can use like chalk. There's like so many great ways to do this, but I just wanted to show you because this is what I was doing this morning on my prep. So I wanted to show you how to make black glue in case you were interested. Hope that was helpful.